In this video, I'm going to talk about the purpose of foundation. The purpose of foundations are very simple. The main purpose of foundation is the main reason behind the foundation is the stability of any structure. The purpose of a foundation, how I can able to explain us in building construction. The purpose of a foundation is multifaceted and essential for the stability, safety, and longevity of the structure. Comes to the stability portion, it should be the foundation. Because of the foundation, the structure should be stable to bear the load, so that it is uh, we can able to utilize the purpose of the building. If the purpose of a structure is like, if you are building a school building, the purpose of the structure is education, and the students will be coming and going. There will be n number of loads will be there. N number of loads is distributed all over the building. So the purpose of the foundation is like uh, serves the purpose of the foundation. The main point is the stability. Second one is the safety. So the foundation, depending upon the design of the foundation, depending upon the type of foundation, the safety prolongs a very important one of the points. And next one is the longevity. If the foundation is stable and it gives safety to the occupants, then the lifespan of the building is elongated. So now I'm going to explain about the properties or primary uh, purpose of a foundation. So of course, the primary or the very important point, it will be the load distribution in the structure. Foundation distribute the weight of the building evenly to the underlying soil or bedrock. So by spreading the load over a very large area, foundations prevent excessive settlement or subsidence and ensure the structural integrity of the building. Then comes to the stability and support of the foundation. Foundations provide a stable base of the building, or for the stability. Foundation provides a stable base for the building, which will prevent it from shifting or tilting or collapsing under its own weight or external forces such as wind or enormous wind load, or like earthquakes, or like some soil movement. A well-designed foundation structure anchors the structure firmly to the ground. Anchored in means uh, it will rest, or it will grip with the soil strata very strongly, providing stability in varying different conditions actually. So then the very important thing of a foundation is it should resist for soil movement, should resist in soil movement. Foundations actually resist movement caused by changes in soil moisture content. The foundation has a direct contact with the soil. So the properties of the soil, or changing in the properties of the soil, will also affect the foundation. So one of the main property is in soil is the moisture content. So changes in moisture content or temperature fluctuations, or like settling of the ground by over time, it can cause movement, and the foundation should resist this movement. So far that will be a good design, or if that will be, we'll call as a good foundation. By transferring load to deeper, more stable soil layers, Foundations mitigate the risk of differential settlements and prevent structural damage. Uh, so the structural damage can also be denied or can also be resisted by this because of the soil movement. And the next important one is the protection against moisture. Foundations incorporate moisture barriers and drainage systems to protect the buildings from water intrusion and moisture related damages. So proper waterproofing and drainage help control groundwater level, prevent water seepage and mitigate the risk of uh, foundation erosion or deterioration of the foundation. Next is the insulation and energy efficiency. Some foundations include insulation materials to improving energy efficiency and thermal performance. Insulated foundation helps regulate indoor temperatures, reduces heating and cooling costs, and enhances occupants' comfort. This will be in the cold areas. Next one is the uh, compliance with building codes and termite and pest control. This I already explained. And support for utilities and services. A proper foundation provides support for building utilities and services such as electrical, plumbing, any types of services. Properly designed foundation accommodate the installation of underground utilities and ensure the stability and accessibility. Uh, this will enables the utility or the enhancement of the foundation's longevity actually. So the main purpose of a foundation is to provide a solid and stable base for buildings, ensuring structural integrity, safety, and longevity. So, by distributing loads, resisting soil movement, protecting against moisture, and complying with building codes, foundations play a very critical role in the construction and maintenance of safe and durable structures. Thank you.